So check this out. This is how you earn a full-time income online simply by copying and pasting emails, working as little as 10 to 15 minutes per day. This system right here allows you, this is an autoresponder that gives you 100 new leads every single day simply just by having an account active. And the best part about this is that as you continue to have your account active, it progressively gets you more and more leads every single day. As you can see right here, this has been generating me up to 200 leads every single day consistently, and this has been the case for well over, I want to say 2 years straight since I started using this system. And the best part about this, you could use this for really anything that you want. Anything that is in the Make Money Online space, ClickBank products, JVZoo, Digistore24. But what I personally like to promote are products that pay from multiple income streams. So this particular system right here that I promote allows you to earn from multiple income streams simply by sharing one link. And check this out. This is just one of the income streams inside of the system right here that has paid me over $12,000 right here. And the best part is that it's residual income. So I have several members that have enrolled with me in this system, some several months ago, some even over a year ago, that still have their accounts active today, and I'm still continuing to get paid from work that I did well over a year ago. So there's this income stream. There's also another income stream that allows you to earn $1,000 commissions, $2,000 commissions. There's also this system itself, which is another income stream that allows you to earn residual income. As you could see so far, this one has paid me over $500 so far, right? So if you want to get access to this system right here, and I'm going to show you in a little bit how to use this exact system, all you have to do is go to the first link down below. It's going to take you over to the page where you can, of course, get signed up for this. This only costs you about $1 per day or $30 a month. And then, just by having an account active, you could start generating leads consistently every single day, simply, by letting them do the marketing for you, right? So you don't have to worry about doing any sort of lead generation yourself or sending traffic. This system is going to generate leads for you. And then once you have your database of leads, you could start emailing them right away, any type of offer that you want to promote, right? Now, I want to show you real quick exactly how to use this exact lead system. And again, you could use this for anything that you want. What I personally like to promote are products that pay from multiple income streams and ones that are more high ticket programs, right? So I'm going to leave the link to this down below, as well as my number one system that I use that has made me the most money online so far out of everything that I promoted. So you could check this out down below as well. It'll be the second link down below here. And what you'll want to do is when you, of course, get your account set up, you will simply want to go through the 4 steps to, of course, set up your system properly. Of course, be sure to join the Facebook group where you could see other members sharing their results, as you can see right here. Here's another member that earned $800, looks like 3 hours ago, 4 a.m. in the morning. So that's pretty cool right there. And yeah, there's tons of members having success with this. Like, here's a $2,000 commission that Paolo got, $250 that John got, and tons of other members that I could show right here that are having some pretty phenomenal results with this system, right? So when you use this in conjunction with this lead system right here, this can definitely convert extremely well, even if you are completely brand new. And there's also multiple other ways that I show you how to promote in this training as well. Multiple other ways you could use to send traffic over to the system right here. But if you're brand new, if you've never done any sort of like online marketing before, and if you want to start with something that is simple, something that's proven, something where you could just simply come in, copy and paste a few emails, and then start making income online, then this is a really great system to start with. Now, of course, I do have to give the disclaimer with this. This system is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So, don't be the person that's going to join, on day 1 and then, day 4, day 5, you immediately throw in the towel and say, oh, it doesn't work, scam, I didn't make anything, right? Because this system right here, especially with this system that we're using, it builds up over time. So the longer you have your account active, the more leads you're gonna have in your account, the more people that you will, of course, have access to, right? In this account in particular, I have over 100,000 leads in this account. I also have a second account as well that I want to say recently hit 100,000 leads as well, right? So the longer you have your account active, the better it becomes, the easier it becomes to get sales consistently. And all you really have to do here, this is how you, of course, use the system. You just want to come into your back office, go to the mailing system, click select all to say, okay, I want to mail all the leads in my account. And then all you have to do here is simply just come down, add in a subject line, and then add in your email down here that you want to use to promote, whatever it is that you're promoting. So just about every single affiliate program has their own, email swipes you could use. So if we go in this system right here that we're using, multiple income funnel, you have copy and paste emails that you could simply send out to your leads right here, right? So you've got the subject line, check this out. So we simply copy that right there. Come back over to our mailing system, paste this right in here. If you want, you could even, if you're like me, you can capitalize the first letter of each word. You don't have to do that, but that's just something that I tend to do. It's just a natural habit of mine. And then the body text. Again, you go back here, copy the email. Of course, what I recommend is you will want to, of course, change up a few things around so that it is kind of more specific to you. So you just put, your name down here. And then all you have to do here, where it says your link right here, all you have to do is simply highlight this. You click on the link tab right here. And then this is where you put in your link to the product that you're promoting. So in this system, what we do is we go over to the links tab, find one of the links that we want to promote. So in that case, we'll go with the one, we'll just go with the regular VSL. So copy that link, come back over here, paste that in. You could add a tracking tag at the end of it. And just like that, you now have your email that you've written. You could even, let's say, for example, you want to bold this. That's one thing I like to do. You could increase the font size. So, I like to do 20. And then if you want, you could even add a picture of yourself down here if you have it. So I don't know if I have mine currently, but yeah, you could add that down there if you want. And then, of course, when you hit perfect timing, this will send out the email to each lead in your database at the time that they are most likely to open email, which of course will help you to increase your open rate and click-through rate, which is really important, right? So the more people that you get to open up the email and they go to the link, then of course, the more potential sales you will get with this system right here. So you do that, you click on send email, and then just like that, this email will now go out to 100,000 people in my case of this account that I have right here. So this right here is just one way that I show you exactly how to use in terms of promoting any sort of affiliate product that you want online, right? So inside of my training, which again, I'm going to have this link down below, in addition to this system that you can get plugged into. Again, it's $30 a month. You create an account, you pay $30 a month, and then you can start generating leads pretty much instantly. And it actually doubles to 200 leads when you refer one person to your affiliate link, which one benefit of this system right here is, as I mentioned, one of the income streams inside of the system just so happens to be my lead gen secret. And what you could do is when you are promoting this system, for example, if you decide that you want to run with this exact system that we're using right here, you could take your MLGS referral link, you come to affiliates right here, grab your referral link or your referral ID, and then you simply just go over to your MIF back office, you paste in the link that would be right here, you click save, and then anytime someone decides to enroll with you with multiple income funnel, they go through and they set up any of the income streams, you get credit for that sale for no additional work, right? So you have your income stream set up, and same goes with these other 3 income streams right here. So you have the ability to earn from 5, 6, I think 7 or 8 income streams simply by sharing one link, which is why I personally recommend the system, especially for people who are brand new. So there's this system right here, $30 a month. And then this system right here, you could start for $49 a month, or what I recommend doing is going for the annual option, which is only $3.99 per year. And I recommend that option because you're going to save more in the long term, and you're also going to be eligible to get these $200 commissions. Let me see if I could find one right here. I had one that came in recently, but you could have the ability to earn the $200 commissions in addition for the same amount of work. So you see these $20 commissions here that you could earn. You also have the ability to earn the $200 commissions as well on top of that, right? So yeah, there's those. Yeah, so like here's one that I got right here, or this is actually from John, but I also got another one of these recently as well. So you have the ability to earn a minimum of $200 just from the first income stream alone per referral that you get. And then on top of that, you have, you know, these other ones here, $1,000 commissions, $2,000 commissions. You have another one that's residual income. You have high ticket and residual commissions here. And of course, you have the MLGS system itself that you could earn income on as well, which is another residual income stream. So if you're looking for a very newbie-friendly way to create a full-time income online, and you want something that is simple, something you could simply plug into and, of course, replicate this system and what I'm doing right here, go down below, set up an account for MLGS and multiple income funnel, and use these two systems right here. Use this system, use these leads to market this system right here. And of course, on top of that, if you want to maximize your earning potential, be sure to check out my free training right here on this channel. This shows you exactly how I market the system. And you could use this training for really anything that you want, but I specifically show you myself marketing the multiple income funnel system right here. So check it out down below. Check it out for yourself. I'll see you on the inside, and take care all the best.